You are going to love the 2019 Ascent. The Subaru Ascent is a breath of fresh air to families in need of more room. The reliability, safety, and practicality that Subaru has always been known for is now brought to you with third-row seating and is priced below $50,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, power lift gate, third-row seat, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, navigation system, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver lumbar, driver airbag. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.